Today is the first day of school.
Backpacks are ready. Water bottles are ready.
The shoes are very clean.
Good morning, Emily.
It is 7 o'clock. Time to wake up the kids.
Wake up, Oliver. Time for school.
School time? I am awake! Yay! I am going to school!
Wake up, Chloe. My sleeping beauty.
Dad, 5 more minutes, please.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. Wake up.
Oh, Dad, you are too loud.
Look at the sun. It is a beautiful day.
The sun is very bright.
Wash your face and get dressed, Chloe.
Okay, Dad, I am getting up. Where is my toothbrush? Oh, no. Too much toothpaste.
Squeeze the toothpaste gently, Oliver. Brush up and down. Round and round.
Look, I am brushing my back teeth.
Now, rinse your mouth with water.
Swish, swish. And spit. Done.
1, 2, 3. My hair is ready.
Wow. You look great, Chloe.
Here are your uniforms, fresh and clean.
I want to go to the beach again. I know, but school is fun too. Will I see my friends today?
Yes. And your teachers, too.
Look at me! I am super fast!
Wait, Oliver. Your buttons are wrong.
Hi.
Let me help you. Stand still, Oliver.
Welcome to Chef Jack's restaurant.
Eggs and toast. Thank you, Dad. My tummy feels funny, Mom.
Are you nervous about school, honey?
Yes, just a little bit.
Is everyone ready for school?
Yes, we are. Let's go. Do my friends remember me, Mom? Of course. You are a good friend. Look! It is Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. Bye, Dad. Whoa! Ah!
Excuse me. May I come in? Chloe is very hardworking. But
But Chloe is very shy in class.
Is she afraid to speak?
She knows the answers, but she speaks very softly. I understand. She is a quiet girl.
Oliver is smart and very active.
I will help both children at home.
How was your first day, Chloe?
It was okay, but I was too shy to talk. I talked a lot today.
Yes, Oliver, I can see that.
Welcome home. How was school?
Chloe is doing very well, but she needs more confidence.
Being shy is okay, Chloe.
Can I be brave tomorrow?
Yes. We can practice tonight.
Let's play school at home.
Great idea. First, let's make pizza.
Wash your hands first, everyone.
Welcome to Chef Jack's kitchen. Ooh. Ooh.
Look at the bubbles.
Push and pull. Push and pull.
It is big and round now.
The sauce smells good.
Yum! It tastes much better now.
More cheese, please.
Look! A smiley face pizza.
The pizza needs time. Do not touch the oven.
Now, welcome to our home classroom.
It's okay. Speak slowly.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Chloe.
Look up, Chloe, and smile.
My name is Chloe. I am 9 years old. Great job, Chloe. Very good. One more time. I like reading and drawing.
That was clear and strong.
Woo! Pizza is ready!
Oh no, tomorrow is a new day.
I will try my best tomorrow.
We believe in you.
You look ready, Chloe.
Brave girl today, okay?
Okay, Dad. I will try.
Hi, Chloe. Come with me.
I can do it. My name is Chloe. I am 9 years old. I like reading and drawing. See you next time. Bye-bye.